viewers, welcome to BRG News once again. After June 2021, Google Photo will no longer offer unlimited photo storage. Google's photo sharing and storage service Google Photos will no longer offer unlimited free storage to its users for the high-quality photos starting next year. On Wednesday, the company announced that, saying in order to welcome even more of your memories, it needs to institute a cap. A remarkable 28 billion new photos and videos are uploaded to Photos every week. To welcome even more of your memories and build Google Photos for the future, we are announcing a change to our storage policy, Google said. It added that starting June 1, 2021, new photos and videos uploaded in high quality will begin counting towards the user's 15 GB of Google account storage. Any photos or videos you have uploaded in high quality before June 2021 will not count toward your 15 GB of free storage. This means that photos and videos backed up before June 2021 will still be considered free and exempt from the storage limit. You can verify your backup quality at any time in the Photos app by going to Backup and Sync in Settings, Google said. Inspired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi to support Vocal for Local, Ministry of Textile launched a campaign Local for Diwali. Inspired by the clarion call given by Prime Minister Narendra Modi to show support for local textile, the Textiles Ministry on Wednesday launched a campaign Local for Diwali. Speaking about the campaign, the Union Textile Minister Smriti Irani encouraged people to help local craftsmen and businessmen by buying and gifting local textiles and handicrafts on Diwali. In the line with PM Modi's Atmanirbhar Bharat mission, the new campaign launched by Ministry will help local artisans, weavers and businessmen. Talking more about the campaign, Smriti Irani urged people to take a picture of their favorite articles like clothing or a handicraft item and tag the person from whom they have purchased it. In the most recent episode of Mann Ki Baat, PM Modi urged to be vocal for local when they step out for festive shopping and prioritize local products. PM Modi went on to point out that COVID-19 induced lockdown helped one understand the importance of essential workers without whom one's life would have been much difficult. PM Modi also requested citizens to treat them like a family member and make them part of their festivities. Union Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal hailed the large domestic markets in the country and invited foreign investors in India. Union Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal on Wednesday hailed the large domestic markets in the country as he invited global investors in India. The Union Minister said foreign investors can take benefits from the huge domestic market and the favorable business environment in the country. In his keynote address at India Drivers of Change conference, Goyal also said that India offers fair value for investments and is a trusted partner in the global value chains. The Union Minister further said India has a transparent system and open democracy. India is targeting to achieve a rightful place in the Committee of Nations. The government is working as a team breaking departmental silos, he added, according to a release by the Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Goyal said that there are large business opportunities in the country and bold decisions are being taken to empower the businesses to think big and bold as well as explore uncharted territories and businesses. Before going any further, let's take a break.
BRG Group.
Welcome back once again after the break. Addressing the virtual Asian Leadership Conference 2020, External Minister talks about changing balance of power and interest. Addressing the virtual Asian Leadership Conference 2020, External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar said that the world is moving towards new balances of power and interest, which will manifest itself in a more multipolar global architecture. The theme of the conference was Emerging Geopolitics and Economic Landscape in India. Jaishankar emphasized that the world was already under stress and the pandemic has been an additional and really serious complicating factor. EAM Jaishankar said that the theme of the conference was not just indicative of our changing times but eminently appropriate given the integral connection between geopolitics and economic shifts in our continent. He further said, indeed, these two developments are reflected in two key phenomena that drive current global politics: globalization and rebalancing. Both have had their own consequences and reaction. But feeding on each other, they offer an explanation for much that is happening in our contemporary world. EAM Jaishankar also spoke on the step that India has taken to cope up with the economic crisis posed by the COVID-19 pandemic. He said that, like other parts of the world, India is also focused on recovery. New Zealand spotted a new bird known as hee-hee or stitchbird, and it could be the one with unusual large testicles. New Zealand is on the verge of holding its Bird of the Year competition, and there seems to be one contender who may end up winning. The hee-hee, which is also called the stitchbird, might be the bird of the year after huge support from an unlikely source, a sex toy shop. The bird is from North Island, small in size. Males have a dark velvety cap, short white ear and a yellow patch on the chest. But the feature that stands out is that they have unusually large testicles which produce a large amount of sperm. This feature is what has made adult toy Megastore endorse it for the competition. Kanpur teenager boy known as Pranjal built an air purifier robot that can remove pollutant from the air. He built this robot with the help of his friend. In the midst of rising air pollution in several states of India, a student of class 11th from Kanpur has developed a unique robot that soaks up pollutants from the air and acts as a purifier. Pranjal invented an air purifier robot along with his classmate Arendra. The robot comes with an air purifier machine installed within it. With rising air pollution, he thought of building a robot that could purify the air in the environment and soak pollutants at the same time. He had installed a purifier within the device for the purpose. He said when operational, the robot can filter the polluted air and clean air would be released in the atmosphere, whereas the polluted particles will remain behind in the air filter inside. When Pranjal demonstrated the robot in front of his school principal, Pooja Avasthi, she was pleasantly surprised. Pooja Avasthi said, "Pranjal is our future scientist. He has also helped a lot in the school lab. I am incredibly proud of the boy and the robot that he has built. Air pollution is a major concern of recent times and therefore his invention seems more worthy than ever." That's all for today's news. We BRG News team assures to keep you updated. Till then, stay safe.